is a former Typhoon pilot and former qualified flying instructor on the Hawk and Tucano.
Behind the aircraft now. Communication process between all crew members as pilots are unable to see what's going on underneath the aircraft. This is achieved by the crewmen in the rear cabin making a mental picture for the pilots over the intercom, using voice marshalling to direct the aircraft to the precise drop-off point, ensuring the aircraft lands safely clear of the load. And in the Red Sea, it's incomplete.
I know, I saw it.
This prevents him from descending towards the ground. The tutor has a top speed of 212 miles per hour and can achieve maximum positive 6G, meaning that the pilot is subjected to forces.
It's fair to say it's a characteristic manoeuvre. The nose over. All the time the team are under the guidance of the team coach.
Speed yourself runway, left onto base, to the left now. Winds one more time, please, DZ. Winds 260.
So as they come into landing, please give a huge round of applause for leading the team, Flight Sergeant Liam Lyons, Sergeant Sean McCabe, Sergeant Andy Lynch, Sergeant Mike Atkinson, Sergeant Gabe Coleman Moffat, Sergeant Greg Ashleby, Sergeant Owen Collins, Sergeant Marcus Shields, and last but very not least is OC Falcons Flight Lieutenant Jennifer Littler with the Union flag. So ladies and gentlemen, as the final member of the team safely touches down, please give a huge round of applause and a cheer for the